Hi guys! Kumusta? How are you guys doing? As usual, I'm going to cook again and again and again. So, I'm gonna cook caldereta because my husband's like beef and he loves caldereta. So, I'm gonna mix some for him. So, first we have to pan fry the potatoes. Pan fry lang ito. Gonna add the carrots too. Takpan lang natin for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes is over. Now we're gonna check and then we'll take it out. So, tanggal na natin. Isit aside muna natin to. And then wipe ko lang to ng paper towel. Linis na yung pan natin. Wipe ko na ng paper towel. Now I'm going to add some olive oil. Just a little bit. And add the garlic. And the onion. Garlic and onion looks good na. So let's add the beef. I already marinated the beef with soy sauce and pepper. Nasa na siya. Brown lang natin konti. Let's make it brown. Then later on we have to add water. So let's flip it on the other side. Nag-brown siya. So, yan na. Nag-brown na siya. Lagyan natin ng konting soy sauce. Now, I'm going to add water. You can add water as much as you need it para maglambot ang beef. Nalagyan na natin ng tubig. Lagyan natin ng konting crushed peppers. A little bit of salt. And let's boil and cover it for like an hour para mag-tender ang beef. Okay, let's check now. It's been an hour since we simmered this beef. So, oh, looks great. Evaporate na ang sauce. So now we have to add the tomato sauce. I don't have tomato paste, so hindi ko na siya malagyan ng tomato paste. Tomato sauce na lang. And then, itlog na hulog. We're gonna add the liver spread. Mix lang natin. Okay, na-mix na natin ang liver spread. Now we have to add a little water. Okay. Water. Can add water as needed, guys. So, takpan lang natin siya ulit at pakuluin. Maybe in 15 minutes. Okay, let's check. Kumulo na. Okay, now we're gonna add the potatoes and carrots that we set aside. Haluin. Tatakpan ulit natin mga 5 minutes. Okay, let's check. Yes. Wow. Lapot na siya. I think potatoes and carrots is already tender. Let me check to make sure. Yeah, perfect. And we we can add some a little sugar. And then let's add our olives, green olives. My husband loves olives. And then bell peppers, green and red peppers. Mix lang natin. Sarap guys. Tingnan nyo. Malapot na malapot. Now we're gonna add also our green peas. I almost forgot. Green peas. Haluin natin. Okay, nahalo na natin. Let's try it for a little bit kung anong lasa. Sarap guys. Ready na ang ulam natin, caldereta.